Hello student, this is the lecture for biotechnology paper 201, okay, unit number 1, that is about the carbohydrates, okay, and this is I think the fourth lecture, okay, and we continue to the monosaccharide, okay. In the last lecture I had shown you this slide, okay, and that is related to about the monosaccharides are the reducing agents. Now, monosaccharides can be oxidized by relatively mild oxidating agent. For example, ferric or cupric. Okay, the monosaccharides જે છે એ reducing agent છે અને depending upon their reducing property, there are two types of the sugar. One that is the reducing sugar and another that is the non-reducing sugar. Okay, so monosaccharides જે છે that can be oxidized by the oxidating agents such as the ferric and cupric means Fe3 plus and Cu2 plus ની હાજરીમાં monosaccharides જે છે oxidize થાય છે. Okay, so the carbon is oxidized to a carboxyl group. એટલે જે કાર્બોનિલ કાર્બન હતો બરોબર ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ કે આપણે ફિગરમાં જોઈએ તો કાર્બોનિલ કાર્બન હતો ઓકે ધેટ ઇઝ જે છે શું થશે ઓક્સિડાઇઝ થશે ટુ ધ carboxyl group. Okay, so sugar which are capable of reducing this ferric and cupric ion that are called reducing sugar. એટલે જે sugar જોડે okay means કોઈ પણ sugar હોઈ શકે તો જે sugars જે છે બરોબર એ means they have the capacity to oxidize or reduce Fe3 plus and Cu2 plus okay અને તમે શું કહેશો reducing sugar. So they have free aldehyde or ketone group which is present in their structure. Okay, and a reducing sugar no example so that is the glucose. So glucose have the capacity to oxidize to reduce Fe3 plus okay and Cu2 plus. So means Cu2 plus છે okay એને અહીંયા oxidize કરીને you can see 2Cu plus okay that is oxidized into અહીંયા જે +2 હતા that is converted into +1 okay and D-glucose જે છે that is converted into D-gluconate after the oxidation. Okay, so reducing sugars જે છે that will left means they have the free aldehyde or ketone group okay and that is present in their structure. Now second thing that is the sugar which do not have or which do not able to or not capable for reducing the ferric or cupric ion means કે sugar કે જે ferric અને cupric ion જે છે એને reduce કરી શકતી નથી એને તમે શું કહેશો non reducing sugar. They do not have free aldehyde or ketone group, okay, which is present in their structure. So they are called non-reducing sugar. That is the example sucrose. So only monosaccharides are not non-reducing and reducing sugar. Okay, reducing sugar and non-reducing sugar is related to a sugar which have free aldehyde or ketone group. Okay, any sugar, monosaccharide, polysaccharide, any sugar which have the free aldehyde and ketone group okay that is reducing sugar and the sugar which do not have free aldehyde and ketone group they are non reducing sugar okay means they are not able to oxidize ferric and cupric ion okay that's why they are called non reducing sugar and the example is the sucrose. Okay, now this property is the basis of the Fallings reaction. This is the qualitative test which help for the presence of reducing sugar. Okay, so Fallings reactions જે છે means this is the test કે means sugar જે છે for example if you have given a unknown sugar તમને unknown sugar આપી છે and you have to find out which sugar is present in your sample. Okay, so one property you can find out you have the list of reducing and non-reducing sugar. Okay, so if you are doing the Fallings reaction okay Fallings reaction આવે છે તમારા પ્રેક્ટિકલ્સમાં પણ આવશે ક્વોલિટેટિવ ટેસ્ટ છે ઓકે ક્વોલિટેટિવ ટેસ્ટ કોને કહેવાય કે જે ક્વોલિટી નક્કી કરે ઓકે ક્વોન્ટિટી મીન્સ કે જથ્થો નક્કી કરે તો ક્વોલિટી મીન્સ કે રિડ્યુસિંગ છે કે નોન રિડ્યુસિંગ એને ક્વોલિટેટિવ ટેસ્ટ કહેવાય ફોર ધીસ પર્પઝ. ઓકે તો રિડ્યુસિંગ સુગર છે કે નોન રિડ્યુસિંગ સુગર મીન્સ એ જો ઓક્સિડાઇઝ કરે છે તમને રિએક્શન્સ પોઝિટિવ મળે છે તો એ રિડ્યુસિંગ સુગર છે તમને રિએક્શન પોઝિટિવ નથી મળતી તો એ શું છે નોન રિડ્યુસિંગ સુગર છે બરાબર. તો ફેલિંગ રિએક્શન્સ જે છે તમારે પ્રેક્ટિકલની અંદર આવશે that is a qualitative test used for the presence of reducing sugar. Now next. Okay, now in next slides there are the derivatives of monosaccharides. Okay, so I think this is not in your syllabus but though I will teach you okay that is about the monosaccharide derivatives. Now, there are number of sugar derivatives in which the hydroxyl group in the parent compound is replaced with the another substitute. Okay, or a carbon atom is oxidized to a carbonyl group. મીન્સ કે ઘણી બધી સુગર ડેરિવેટિવ્સ છે કે જેની અંદર એનું જે હાઇડ્રોક્સિલ ગ્રુપ્સ જે છે બરોબર પેરેન્ટલ કોમ્બિનેશનની અંદર એ રિપ્લેસ થાય છે વિથ ધ અનધર સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ્સ ઓકે તેને તમે કહેશો મોનોસેકેરાઇડની ડેરિવેટિવ્સ. For example, in the amino sugar, the NH2 group replaced with one of the OH group in his parent. Okay, like the original sugars જે છે એની અંદર NH2 groups જે છે એનાથી શું થાય છે OH group replace થાય છે. Okay, for example, hexane છે. પછી જે છે that is the substitution of the H or OH that produce the deoxy sugar. Means કે next slide માં તમને બતાવીશ. For example, this is about the glucose family. Okay, so this is the beta D glucose. This is the beta D glucose B phosphate. Okay, here the substitute is phosphate group. Here the beta D glucose amine, that is the substitute of NH2 group. Okay, then another family glucose family ની અંદર છે N-acetyl B beta D glucose amine. Okay, તો અહીંયા એનું પિંક કલરનું તમને દેખાશે NH2COO-CH3. Okay, એનું જે another substitute છે. પછી midamic acids છે. Okay, then N-acetyl midamic acids છે. These are the means derivatives of glucose which are present in bacterial wall. Okay, then amino group ની અંદર beta D galactosamine છે, beta D menosamine છે. Okay, fucase and ramose છે, that is a deoxy sugar. Now in glucose family there are also beta D gluconate, beta D glucomate. Okay, and this is the example of the acidic sugar, that is N-acetyl muramic acid, salicylic acid. So the substitute of H or OH that produce the deoxy sugar. Okay, so deoxy sugar ની અંદર શું છે કે એનું જે substitutes છે that will produce અહીંયા for example CH3 original sugar માં તમે જુઓ અહીંયા બરોબર અહીંયા H છે અહીં here CH2OH. Okay, and that will replace to H here and CH3 is coming this side. Okay, so this is the deoxy sugar. So the acidic sugars, these are the acidic sugar that contain the carboxylate group which conform a negative charge at the neutral pH. Okay, so that is the substitution प्रमाणे sugars છે એની અલગ-અલગ શું છે derivatives છે, and this whole chart represents the glucose family. Okay, the derivatives of the monosaccharide glucose family. Now in monosaccharide derivatives, the another name that is the sugar acid. Now what is sugar acid? That is the oxidation of the aldehyde or the primary alcohol group in the monosaccharide that will result in the sugar acid. Means કે એનું જે aldehyde group જે છે એનું oxidation થાય, okay, or the primary alcohol જે છે that is group in monosaccharide, so that will result into the sugar acid. So the acidic sugars that contain the carboxyl group. Okay, so acidic group શું હોય છે carboxyl group હોય છે. You can see in the figure. Okay, the carboxyl group which conforms a negative charge at the neutral pH. Okay, and the example is, for example, here the glucose, and the example is the beta D glucuronate and D gluconate. Okay, so the gluconic acid is produced from gluconic acid that is produced from glucose by the oxidation of the aldehyde group, and glucuronic acid is formed, okay, from the glucose by the oxidation of the primary alcohol group at the 6th position here. Okay, so the different monosaccharide derivatives in which this is about the sugar acids. Now about the amino sugars. Now in amino sugars, okay, when one or more hydroxyl group of the monosaccharide is replaced by the amino group. Okay, first slide માં તમને બતાવી છે એના means parts છે. Okay, so one or more hydroxyl groups that is replaced by the amino group, so that is called amino sugar. Okay, for example, they do glucose amine છે, D galactose amine છે. Okay, and they are sometimes acetylate. Means for example, the N-acetyl D glucose amine, that is the for example muramic acid, N-acetyl muramic acid. Okay, so these are the example of the monosaccharide derivatives ni under amino sugar. Okay, pela hata acid sugar, this is the amino sugar that is replaced with the amino group NH2. Now in monosaccharides, the third group is the deoxy sugar. Okay, the deoxy sugars ni under they contain one oxygen less than that of the parent molecule. એટલે કે parent molecule એટલે glucose ની આ derivatives છે. So one oxygen less છે compared to the glucose. So the group has CHOH and CH2OH that will become okay CH2 and CH3. So one oxygen less છે, so that is due to the absence of one oxygen atom. So that is called the deoxy sugar. Okay, the one oxygen is less, that's why this sugar is called deoxy. One oxygen less, that is the deoxy sugar. Okay, and the example is 2-deoxyribose. Okay, that is present in DNA. Then Ramos છે, Fucose છે. Okay, that is the example of the deoxy sugars. Now sugar alcohol. The another derivatives of the sugar is the sugar alcohol. Sugar alcohol means the polyols that is produced by the reduction of the aldose or the ketose. Okay, so the example for it is the sorbitol from the glucose and mannitol from the mannose. Now the next thing, that is the aldol, R-A-L-D-I, alditols. Okay, so alditols are the monosaccharides on the reduction that yield the polyhydroxyl alcohol, that is known as alditols. Okay, so the example of the alditols, that is the monosaccharide on reduction. Okay, that will yield means produce થાય છે એનું જે parental form છે એમાંથી polyhydroxyl alcohol. Okay, so the production of polyhydroxyl alcohol, okay, so that is the example of alditols. Okay, and the example of alditols, that is the glycerol, that is the component of the lipid. Okay, ribitol, that is a flavin coenzyme. Okay, and the xylitol, that is the sweetener which is used in the candies and the sugarless gums. Okay, so that is the example of the alditols, and this is only and only for your information. Okay, I think that is not included in your syllabus, this form, that is the monosaccharide derivatives, but can be asked in the MCQ form. Okay, જો તમારી ઓનલાઈન એક્ઝામ લેવાય તો MCQ માં તો કેવું છે, મોનોસેકેરાઇડ છે, કાર્બોહાઈડ્રેટ છે, તો એમાંથી કોઈ પણ MCQ આઉટ ઓફ સિલેબસ એની રેફરન્સ બુકમાંથી પૂછાઈ શકે છે. That's why I'm covering this point. Okay, remember each and everything. Okay, તો અહીંયા સુધી I think monosaccharide વાળું સેક્શન જે છે એ આપણે અહીંયા કમ્પ્લીટ કરીએ. The last point is the alditols. Okay, our next lecture we will start from the disaccharide. Okay, so I'm trying all the things. For example, carbohydrate ni andar, what is carbohydrate? Okay, so this is the fourth lecture and I had completed about all about the monosaccharides. Now in lecture number 5 I will continue to the second point, that is about the disaccharide. Okay, so up to that, if you have not any means a copy of this, so you can means જ્યારે પણ તમે વિડિયો જોવો છો, લેક્ચર્સ તમે જોવો છો ત્યારે એનો સ્ક્રીનશોટ પાડો. ઓકે, અને આ જેટલું કોઈ કન્ટેન્ટ છે ટ્રાય ટુ રાઇટ ઇન યોર ઓન. ઓકે, અને એ તમારું શું રહેશે કે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ કે આ પેન્ડેમિક પતી જાય અને તમારે આવવાનું થશે કોલેજ, તો આ મીન્સ બધું કન્ટેન્ટ જે છે તમારે લખી લાવવાનું. ઓકે, તો એ તમારે શું થશે, નોટ રેડી થઈ જશે. Okay, so thank you, bye and take care.